Hi everyone, welcome to Shell Sugar Rush. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today I wanted to share with you this fantastic Jersey cake that I made for my nephew's 12th birthday. He actually wanted a baseball cake for his celebration because he is an avid baseball player. But rather than the traditional baseball cake, we decided to do his jersey. And I think this was absolutely adorable. So if you enjoy things like this, stick around and watch me make it along with some special treats. So I started with 2 vanilla sheet cakes, and here I'm just leveling the first one and taking off that top layer. I'm going to put this one bottom side down, and then I'm just going to fill in the center with some Swiss meringue vanilla buttercream, and I'll get a nice generous coat there for the center. And then I'm going to pull out that second vanilla sheet cake, and I'll go ahead and do the same with it. I'm going to level it, of course, and take off that top layer. And then this one I'll actually place upside down on the first layer. I like to do the top layer with the bottom side up. That just gives it a nice level finish on top for the base of our cake. So here I'm just taking that same Swiss meringue buttercream and just going over it and giving it a nice little crumb coat. And then I'm going to pop it in the refrigerator and let it chill for a little bit and start doing some cutting. So as for carving out the jersey, this cake has been crumb coated and chilled, so it makes it so much easier to carve on. So I started with the top in the shoulder areas and took off both of those top corners, and then just made a little dip in the top center for the collar of the shirt. And here I am utilizing those pieces that I was able to cut off to make some sleeves for the shirt. And now I'm going to just give all of that a nice coat of the buttercream, a nice coat of the Swiss meringue buttercream, and kind of bring everything together. And once this is done, I will put it back into the fridge and let it chill for a bit longer. And then I'll bring it back out for a final coat of red Swiss meringue buttercream. So now I'm just bringing out the different colors of fondant that I need. And right now you see I'm rolling out the white fondant for the Angels baseball message that's going to be on the jersey. And I've already cut out from red fondant, the birthday message that will actually be on the board. But I wanted to do the Angels baseball, the team name, in white so that it would really stand out on the red jersey. So here I'm just going to finish cutting out those letters that I need, and I'm just using a block script, just cutouts for that for the lettering for the cake. These are very nice and easy to work with, and they have a little handle on them to make it easy to push it into the fondant and then pop your letters out. And here I've just included a little clip of one of the sets of Oreos that I made, because I did make some chocolate covered Oreos with a red drizzle just to go along with the birthday cake for one of the treats that'll be on the side, as well as some cupcakes. And now back to the fondant, and this time I'm using black fondant, and I am going to be cutting out his name and number that's going to be going on his jersey. And for these I needed a bit larger pieces that I didn't really have stencils for, so I kind of just freehanded this in a block lettering style. And I just did that using my square cutters and cut out the initial pieces, and then just took my X-Acto knife and cut into them, like I said, making that block style lettering for these pieces. So I'll just get these pieces finished up, and then we'll bring our cake back and get our decorations on it. So our cake is back, and putting those decorations on there. And sorry guys, I did not turn the camera on when I actually put the coat of red Swiss meringue buttercream on the cake. I apologize for that. But here you see I've put the name at the top followed by the number in the center, and then the Angels baseball's name across the bottom of the jersey. And now I'm just attaching that birthday message onto the bottom of my cake board, and I'm just attaching those letters on with a little bit of piping gel just to secure them in place. Okay everyone, so our Jersey cake is finished. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. And I've also included in this clip the cupcakes that I did in the ball theme. There are vanilla and chocolate as well. And also the chocolate covered Oreos that you saw the clip of earlier. I drizzled these in red just to color coordinate. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell so you'll be notified when I upload more cakes and treats in the future. I'll see you next time. Thank you.